Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by preparing the essentials, install Flutter SDK and your platform IDE, then create a Firebase project. Once done, register your Android or iOS app and download the Google services, JSON or Google Service Info, plist file. Next, place that file into the correct platform folder and add Firebase core to PubSpec. YAML, then run Flutter pubget. This gets your app ready to talk to Firebase. You're not done yet, but these are the first actionable steps to link the two systems. You now integrate Firebase into the app, modify Android build, Gradle and project-level files to apply Google services. For iOS, add the plist to runner and enable CocoaPods. Once configured, initialize Firebase in main. Dart using widgets Flutter binding. Ensure initialized, then await Firebase. Initialize app. After initialization, add packages like Firebase Auth, Cloud Firestore, or Firebase Storage based on features. Make sure to follow platform-specific instructions for permissions and Gradle versions, because mismatches often cause runtime or build errors, so verify those versions early. You finish by testing on an emulator or real device. Run Flutter Run and watch the logs for Firebase initialization messages. Once the app connects, deploy Firebase security rules and enable authentication providers you need, then test Firestore reads and writes. If something breaks, first check that Google services, JSON or plist is in the right folder and that package versions match. Also confirm Android X migration and correct Gradle or pod versions. If errors persist, clear build caches and rebuild.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.